ready to turn your website into a 24/7 sales machine. Let's dive into building your own AI sales agent using Retell AI, the platform designed to automate your sales interactions and boost those conversions. First, you'll sign up or log into Retell Ai. The website will guide you then. Navigate to the Agents section of Retell AI's dashboard. This is where the magic begins, where you create and manage your AI sales reps. Click the Create Agent button to start. You'll be prompted to select a voice. Choose the tone that best represents your brand. Consider voices that are friendly, professional, or enthusiastic, depending on your target audience. Next, give your agent a descriptive name. Something simple like Website Sales Expert or Lead Capture Pro. Now, the crucial part: setting up what your AI agent says. Craft a detailed script for your agent's responses, sales pitch, and how it handles objections. Think about introducing your product, asking qualifying questions to understand the lead's needs, and offering customized solutions. Be sure to emphasize your product's value and why it's the best fit. Customize the agent's behavior to set priorities, such as the maximum call duration allowed. Consider adding keywords to trigger specific responses. You can preload the agent with information about your product to further arm your agent. Finally, integrate the agent into your website via a simple code snippet provided by Retell Ai. Think of it as dropping a widget onto your page. Then it's time to sit back and watch your AI sales agent at work, handling leads and securing those sales. Remember to regularly review your agent's conversations and tweak its script based on feedback and performance. Now your AI sales agent is converting leads 24/7, even while you're sleeping.